is a completely different marketing campaign, as Nat I know has probably taught you, right? It's a very different kind of sales process that's required, but low price equals high volume of sales, more people buying. So there's one thing you might want to consider. Is small 60-minute to 90-minute workshops sound like fun and easy for you? Because that might be a place that you want to consider. And that means that you would be sitting in this low ticket, low price, but very high volume area. If your goal is to impact as many people in the world as possible, this is definitely going to be a product or a version of your product packaging you want to consider. Okay? Next, as we keep moving along this pathway, here are all other ways that you can commercialize your knowledge. You can create in-person training days. Obviously, they're going to be more expensive because now they involve you. Let's just go back to the mini trainings. Most of those are going to be recorded once, and you're selling the recording from that point onwards, right? You shouldn't be live for low ticket stuff because $100 isn't going to cover your time, right? You're going to record these things once and you're selling the replay for as long as that replay remains up to date. You're not involved in the process after the point at which it's been recorded. However, in-person workshops, you're now exchanging your time for money, which means you're going to be starting to move up in terms of the pricing. We're going to be getting more to this more mid-price by the time we start bringing ourselves in to deliver the training. As we move along again, we also have another type of course, which is known as the signature course or the authority flagship course. You may have heard of those kinds of terms before. This kind of course is like your Big Mama course. It was like the original kind of program that we were all creating before the COVID days. Now, I'm not saying, by the way, that this type of course doesn't sell. It absolutely does, okay? I don't want anyone to think, oh, that's not a good idea. It truly is still a very good idea, and you can still absolutely make millions of dollars from these courses. However, I'm just letting you know that more people pick the cheaper items. Just giving you the current trends, okay? But your authority flagship course, this would be the version of your offering that would perhaps be all of those 10 mini workshops bundled up into one. Yeah? And you will get people say, oh, instead of buying all of these individually, can I just get everything in one place? Yeah, here's the signature program. It's got all of that in it and more. So with this kind of more version, you're taking everything that you've made in terms of those mini trainings, you've bundled them together into one big program, all nicely in the right order, so they're all nice and consecutive in terms of their learning. But you might also be adding in additional resources into this. You might be adding in more templates, more prompts, more how-tos. You might be adding in some deeper step-by-step tutorials, more how, more implementation is going to be taught in this signature or authority flagship program, which is justifying the increase in cost. It's got more in it than if they were to just buy all of those other mini trainings by themselves. Can you see how we're not necessarily remaking anything? We're just adding on more value. Yeah? Let's not overwhelm or overcomplicate the process. We are building up and scaffolding on the value and the outcomes in the training as we move up this process. We're not completely recreating whole new products. We're not completely rebuilding and remaking our whole system. We're just giving more options with more value, with more sauce, with more sprinkles on top.